Welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Superpower Tycoon. Now I have already played before I started the video. It's a pretty cool game I guess, but like... Oh, damn! Nope. He's got speed powers. I hate speed powers. Please don't kill me, please don't kill me. Damn it. Anyway. So it's hard to kill people because like you all have different powers, you know. And on my first time I played I was strong. I always say storm. I was strong, like the power strong. It was hard, but like I could defeat people, you know what I mean, I guess. I've never bought the effect machine or the power pad because I've never played with magic before. You see where it's magic over here on top of the place. Anyway, like and subscribe the video and comment down below what game you want me to play next. And please, 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 please don't say what do you call it, Mad City, because I really hate Mad City. For me, it's a bad game, but it doesn't have to be for you guys. Could be a good game for you, but not for me. Like, I don't really get the point of Mad City. And comment down below if you guys know when what year Mad City was created. Because if it was after Jailbreak, then Mad City copied Jailbreak. Because I know Jailbreak was released in 2017, but I don't know about Mad City though. You know? Oh, I wish I had the super speed. Also, this is my friend from school. I know him because like we're friends and stuff. Also, I'm a soccer player and of course a YouTuber. Because if I wasn't a YouTuber, I wouldn't be making this video right now. I'll just be normally playing. No. She was nearly dead. Why didn't I kill her? Seriously. Come on. I'm so dumb. Or I'm not dumb, but like, why? Why didn't I do that? How much money does that guy have? 237,000! And what do they... Yeah? Alright, well, I'm sorry this is a long video, but I have to end the video here. Anyway, comment down below and hit the subscribe button. And tell me what video you want me to do next about.